Before launching Raphael Studio, it's important to create a place to store the files. The best way to do this is to have a folder for each client, and within that folder, separate folders for each board the client has. Raphael has two different views, the board view and the path view. The board view is where you identify where all the boards are located within Raphael's envelope. The path view is where you create the points and the paths where the brush will follow during production. To place boards within the envelope, you need to be in the board view. The first thing you do is input the size of your board here, next to board width. Our board is 67 millimeters. Our board depth is 181.6 millimeters. Now right-click to add the board locations. Place the board in the top left corner of the envelope. Click Finish. Then add other boards in the array by right-clicking and placing them at the proper distance from the previous boards. Highlighting the board shown with the red outline is the board location that will be coded when you click Coat 1 versus Coat All. To start programming paths, go to the Path view. Let's load the board image. Remember, the image must have been previously placed in the customer's board folder and cropped to only show the board extent. Click File, Set Board Image. Pick the image of the board you are working on, the top or the bottom, and click Open. Set the image width and depth to equal the board dimensions. My width is 67, my depth 181.6. At this point, you should save your work. Click File, Save As, and browse to the customer's board folder. Give it a name, board 123, top, and click Save.